Hi kids, I'm your friend Charanya and today we are going to make a craft using ice cream sticks. It's a very easy and simple craft and you can definitely try it at home. It is a wall decor craft. Shall we start? For this craft we need only two materials, ice cream stick and glue. Shall we start? I am shaping it in hexagon shape. Just keep the stick and check whether you are getting correct shape first. Okay. Then we'll use the glue to stick the sticks. Hope the shape is correct. Now, place the glue on the edge of the stick and place the next stick on top of it. Our first line is ready. Now let's stick the second one. You apply glue on all the edges. Then we'll place the sticks. Okay, now place the stick on top of it. From second line, we need to apply glue on both the edges. See, I have already made the ice cream sticks like this. Now I am going to place it on top of this one. Allow it to get dry for at least 15 minutes. Let it get dry. After 15 minutes it is dried. See, our craft is ready now. If you want it more wider, you can stick some more ice cream sticks in the same way what we did. See, I have these colorful pots. These pots are painted by my son, and I made this craft mainly to showcase these pots. I'll show you how to keep. You can keep the pot like this, and you can stick the ice cream sticks in the wall, and it will look very beautiful. And if you want it more decorative, you can color the ice cream sticks and stick in the same way what we did. Kids, hope you enjoyed the craft today. If you like the craft, please like, share our video and subscribe our channel Suryodhayam. I'll see you with some other craft in our next video. Bye.